Practice set 1. Draw line segment of the length given below and draw their perpendicular bisector. So what is the first one? It is given 5.3 centimeter. So I am writing 5.3 centimeter. Okay. Now we are going to draw a line segment of 5.3 centimeter. I have drawn line segment AB. This is A and this one is B. With the help of point A, we'll keep compass on point A. We'll check the midpoint. Then we have to take more than this. Okay. Now we have to draw an arc on both sides. I hope it is visible. Okay. Now I will keep compass on B and then I have draw arc. And I'm going to join this. So this is a perpendicular bisector of line segment A and B. So this is line segment AB. I will give this name. This is C and this is D. And in the middle we'll give name M. Okay, this is M point. Now this AM is equal to MB. We have drawn the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB, and this perpendicular bisector, after doing this, we got 90-degree angle. Okay. We can write as CD is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. I hope you understood. Now we are going to go for next sum. Now second is given 6.7 centimeter. So we have to take 6.7 centimeter line segment. I hope you are getting how to take this. So I am taking 6.7. This is 6.7. I'm writing 6.7 centimeter. I will give name P and Q. Now the same thing we have to do. We have to take point P. We have to keep compass on point P, and we have to check the midpoint. Okay, this is more midpoint. We will take more than this of it so that we can draw perfect arc. So doing that. I hope it is visible. The same thing, the compass will keep on point Q. Draw another arc. I hope you are getting how to draw this line perpendicular bisector on line segment. I'm joining this. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of line segment P and Q. So this is line segment PQ, which is perpendicular to this. So I am giving name RS. Okay, and for this one I am giving name N. So PN is equal to NQ. It is a perpendicular bisect. That's why it is 90-degree. I hope you are getting. Now we are going to write RS is perpendicular bisector of line segment PQ. I hope you are getting. Go for next sum. The next question is 3.8 centimeter. Now we have to draw line segment of 3.8 centimeter. So I am drawing that. So this is our 3.8. Okay, 3.8 centimeter. I will give name X and Y. Okay. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector on this. I will keep compass on point X. We will check midpoint. I will take more than that of midpoint. Okay. Now we are going to draw an arc on both sides. I hope it is visible. Okay, now the same compass I will keep with same measure on on Y. Now we will draw this arc. While doing, please go for more bigger one. Now I'm going to join this. So we got perpendicular bisector of X and Y line segment, that is 3.8 centimeter. This way you have to solve practice set 1. I hope you understood how to do practice set 1, how to draw perpendicular bisector on line segment. Now we are going to move to next practice set, that is practice set 2. So this is our line segment XY. I have given name to this perpendicular bisector. This is MN, and in midpoint I have given name as O. So XO is equal to OY. I am writing here MN is perpendicular. Okay, MN is perpendicular to line segment XY, and O is what? It's a midpoint. I hope you are getting how to draw a line segment and how to make perpendicular bisector of it. Now we are going to do next sum, question number 2. Next question is draw angle of the measure given below and draw their bisector. The first one is 105 degree. So for I have to take 105, that is nothing but obtuse angle. So this is our 105. I'm joining this. This is our angle. We can give name A, O, B. Okay. Now this is our O point. We have to mark a small arc both sides. Okay. Take similar measure. Now we got this 2 point. With the help of this 2 point, we have to make one arc. Okay, so I'm drawing that arc. The same measure we have to keep on other side of the point, and again we have to draw the arc. So we got this. Now we have to join this. With point 0. So this is our, we have bisect angle with the help of this 2 point. Okay, I hope you understood how to bisect an angle with the help of this 2 point. I have made 2 arc with same measure, and I got this midpoint C. Okay, and this is our 105 degree. This was angle 105 degree, which we bisect, and we have made 2 equal angle from one angle. I hope you understood. Now we are going to draw. We are going to move to next. This is 55. Okay, acute angle. As I already said, less than 90 is acute angle. Okay, I'm going to give name to it. This is P, Q, R. Now I have to write 55 degree. With the help of this compass, this point we are going to keep on Q. With the help of Q, going to mark 2 arc on line QR and PQ. Now this both point will help us to make an arc. Take little big and make arc. I hope it is visible like this. Okay, same measure this side. Now join this from point Q to get two equal angle of angle 55 degree. I will give name here T. Okay, so we have drawn angle 55 degree. We have bisect this angle and we got equal angle, which is PQT and TQR. I hope you understood how to bisect an angle. Now we are going to move to next question. So we are having next angle, that is 55 degree. I have already drawn 7 centimeter line. Now on the first point I am going to, next question is we have to draw angle of 90 degree, which is nothing but a straight angle. Again I am taking the help of scale, will draw. Okay, this is the point. I will keep, I hope it is straight. Okay, now I will keep D on first point. This is my 90 degree. Now I join this point. I will give name M N O. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now we have to bisect this angle with the help of compass. I am keeping this point of compass on N. I will make 2 point or arc on MN and NO. Now take little big measure so that arc should be more clear. I hope you are getting me, you are understanding what I am saying. Now this is the point, first point I am keeping this. So I am keeping this compass on first point of MN. Now I will draw this arc. I have not changed the measure is same. Again this with same measure I am keeping this compass on this point of NO. Then I will make the another arc. Now I am going to join this from point N. Okay, I'll give name here P. So we have bisect 90 degree angle, we get 45 degree both side. It's an equal angle. I hope you understood how to bisect an angle with the help of compass, and how to take measure. It is very important, so take proper measure and draw. I hope you understood how to bisect angles. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.